Through the emails again, here's some of the questions that are asked to me. Most often question, what is it? What is the best trade signal? Steve, what's your favorite trade? What's the easiest setup for me to identify? And hopefully it'll be for you. What's my signature trade? Okay? So I'm going to share that with you today, but I'm going to break it down and show you some chart examples. And we'll go from there. Okay, so the answer, drum roll please. The best trade to take in any market condition, is a safety trade with a second leg element. Aha, you didn't know that was a trade, did you? Write it down or mark the tape. 7:26 and 27 seconds. Safety trade with a second leg element. Why? Okay. The safety trade identifies the top or bottom of the market at that moment in time. When it sets up, you have identified the top or bottom at this particular part of the week, part of the month, or wherever you are in the cycle. The safety trade allows you to trade in line with peak formation, high or low, as a confirmed directional move. What do I mean? Sounds like a mouthful. What I'm saying simply is that the anchor point's already been established. The high or low of the week has been locked. The dealer will rise from that level for at least 2 days, offering you 50 pips like he's handing out candy at the candy shop. Get it? I tied it in for you. Okay? Write it down, mark the tape. Important stuff. Now, here's the deal. Right now, 7:27, not the airplane, the time. I'm officially designated, everyone in here, your signature trade as of today. All right? I anoint you. I got to hit you on the forehead. Arnie, right on top of the head, buddy. You're all now safety trade traders. This doesn't have to be your only trade, but I insist that you add it to your set right now and start looking for it every day. Here's the beauty of it. When you understand it and can see it, you should be comfortable enough with it that you can anticipate its arrival 12 to 24 hours out. Okay? So you can look at the chart and go, you know what, I'm not trading today, but damn it, I'll be ready to go tomorrow, or I'll be ready to go at 3 o'clock in the morning. This looks like it's setting up. Okay, let's go over the rules for your now anointed safety trade traders. The peak formation high and peak formation low has formed. The 4-hour chart or the 1-hour chart, whatever it is you're using to identify this part of the cycle. The how or the low, high of the week or low of the week. Remember, this is your 4-hour tie-in now, okay? You've been marking the 4-hour charts, looking at the first 8-hour accumulation phase, false move, peak formation high or low, dealer run to extend the high or low, peak formation low, right? Let's say he forms the high. Okay, when I have to count both, it's hard, confusing, right? Look, first 8 hours, blah, 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 blah. First 8 hours of the week, dealer makes his false move week beginning. Dealer rises above on the 4-hour chart, makes his lock. This is your HOW, high of the week. And this is also, right, this is your how. And this is also your peak formation high and your intraday high. It's going to be an HOD. And it's going to be what else? A stop hunt. Holy shit. All 3 of those things in one move. What the hell's wrong with those dealers? It's called leverage. Leverage their time and money. The dealer will form the high of the week, the high of the day, and the stop hunt in one fell swoop. I don't know if it's a swoop, but it's something. Okay? Now, price will move away from this area, which confirms the formation. So if the dealer comes off the level and goes back into consolidation, this is a lock. It's locked in, right? He goes into consolidation. This is level 1 consolidation. The DNC voids the counter trend trade right here. Okay? Do not counter back towards the peak formation. All right. Another very important rule. Remember that this is level 1 consolidation. A sucker trades the breakout back towards the peak. I didn't call you a name, but I'm telling you, if you're trading the breakout back towards the peak, if the shoe fits, right, don't be a sucker. Okay? Don't be a sucker. Don't trade back towards the peak, coming out of the peak formation high. You guys know this stuff? I'm just pointing it out. I will change my pen color. Sorry. Okay, so now, what's the setup? The dealer makes a visible stop hunt, preferably above or below the blue box. Look, above or below the blue box are the best. Crystal clear. Remember what I'm telling you. Coming out of level 1 consolidation off of the peak, formation high or low, the straightaway develops. The obvious ones are still valid. If he doesn't come above or below the blue box but makes a perfect W or M formation as a stop hunt, remember you're smarter than a box. They're still valid setups. The dealer issues a second leg, M or W, this locks in the trade as the right direction. I'll draw it for you in a second. Just hang loose. If the level is hit a third time, just like he did in Australia this week or last week, God help the dealer. You own him. Okay? All right. Let's look at it in theory. Let me draw it for you in theory. And then I'll go ahead and show you some chart examples.